pala. Kaya ayoko na. Last na to. Because, guys, oh my god, I can't understand. How kitty Johnny? Hoy, grabe. I'll be like, girl, okay ka lang ba? Oh my gosh, concert's done and I'm already at my hotel. Actually, it's so nice. I did not expect it to be this nice and very cheap also. But anyways, I just wanna show you my outfit because hindi ko napakita yung outfit ko. Outfit, let me check. I just bought this kanina. Hindi ito yung sinuot ko kanina actually pag place ko sa bahay. It's a different jacket. This is my outfit if wala ang jacket. I actually love it. Pero I have to wear the jacket because it's super ginaw kanina. I actually underestimated the weather. My god, wait, mag-mic na. Where's the mic? Actually, naka-on ang mic for the whole 2 hours. Hindi siya naka-record. So yeah, naka-on ang mic for the whole 2 hours of the show. I did not notice. Hindi ko alam. I feel like na-on lang siya because naipit-ipit. But, yeah, pero hindi siya naka-record. Sana naka-record yun, guys. Para, diba? Anyways. That's it! The fit! Because I actually like the fit, guys! Look, this is from Shein. So nice. Shoes Fila. This is from Shein. This is from my tatay. Chains. Let's go. And then, that's it. This one, binili ko lang kanina. This is a merch. Huwag na akong talungin kung magkano, but it's so worth it. Very worth it. Ayan. It's crop top Chamberlain, and then you know what? I'm gonna unhaul the things that I bought na lang din kanina. Actually, naiihina ako pero I already started it, so let's go. I got this new light stick for NCT 127. Ay, ang mahal, guys, ang mahal. And then I got this little thing, kind of strap something. This is a Mark 1. Ito siya, removable din to siya. Which is I like para ma-transfer siya somewhere. Ayan, removable. 2,000 yen ata, I don't know. I forgot na the price and then I got this, ginamit ko na kanina. I got the Hechan. Cause binili ko na yung kay Mark, on the way na siya. Online ko kasi yun binili yung kay Mark. Ano ba? Dapat naka face, follow the face. Active track pala. Follow the face. Tangina na yun. So yeah, binili ko na yung kay Mark sa SM Town, Camberlin. SM Town, Camberlin? Basta yung sa SM Town. And then this one, tatlo to. Anong this one? This three. Uy, babe, bakit dalawa lang? Nawala. Okay lang kung nawala. Okay lang, iiyak ko na lang. Uy, gags, bakit dalawa na lang? Tatlo to. Ayun. So I got this 3 for 500 yen each. Random lang siya. I was hoping na I will get a Mark 1. Mark 1? Yeah, Mark. Tapos, ano ba binili ko? I got the star. I got that. I got this. Ay, itong bag. Tanga. This bag. Ayan. This is NCT 127. May nakalagay sa baba. And then there's a logo somewhere. Basta may logo. Ayan. NCT 127. And it's actually so big. And malaki siya. And maganda. I love it. I feel like ito na yung gagamitin ko every concert. Because it's a big. And then, ano ba yung isa? Ayan. This one. Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Kaya ang aga kong umalis sa bahay. Which is, I'm gonna tell you the story later. From the start, from the beginning. Because I do have clips. Pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos. No, actually, hindi talaga ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi nahiya ako. Daming tao. Nakakaya pala. Nakakaya, ayoko na. Last na to. Last na to. Ito talaga yung gusto kong makuha. Ang aga-aga ko and very worth it. Very worth it. I'm one of the first 50 ata. So, pagdating ko doon, wala pang sold out. Nabili lahat. It means, ubos din pera ko. Anyways, naiihina ako. Wala na ata akong nabili. Ayun na yun. Tubig. And then, yung lunch ko kanina, which I'm gonna show you. Kasi, nga, isishika ko mamaya. Isishika ko lahat ng nangyari sa day. Because, guys, oh my God, I can't understand how to... Hindi ako napansin ni Mark. But Mark is like everywhere. He's just, he's like to everyone. Pero malayo kasi medyo malayo yung seat ko. Pero actually, it's a very nice distance. Yung hindi ka, kung malapit kasi sa stage, masakit dito. Na-try ko yun kay Bekyon. Ano ba? Transmitter, 10% na lang ang transmitter. Kasi nga, naka-on siya, guys, kanina. The whole concert. Kaya 10% na lang si Bading. Charge natin. By the way, highly recommended this one. This Xiaomi power bank, 20,000 mAh. Very highly recommended and fast charging din siya. 33 watts ang kaya nito. This one. Pero pag iba yung gagamitin mo, 20 something watts ata. Fast charging. Back to Utah. Utah? Si Mark nag-uusapan natin. Si Mark is just very grateful to everybody. Very chill lang. The usual Mark Lee. Hindi niya ako napansin. Kasi I'm malayo. My distance is very, mga twice this big. Tapos another. Basta, my distance is sakto lang talaga. Enough na hindi masakit yung leeg. From all the angle. Kita ko lahat. Front sa main stage, sa extended something, and then yung extended stage Kimberlyn. Kita ko lahat. Pero dun sa extended stage, likod na lang nila. Pero minsan naman, tumitingin sila sa kabila. Diba? Mga ganun, the usual K-pop concert. If you're watching this and you don't know what a K-pop concert is, try to go to one. It's fun. Trust me. Especially if it's NCT 127. Nan pigodok. Don't care about a thing. Nan gipundero walk. Anyways, Utah. May part kasi everywhere sila, girl, as in when you're at the middle and then you can see everyone, hindi mo alam kung sinong titingnan mo. There's Utah there. There's Haechan there. There's Johnny and Mark there. Who the fuck? Pero si Utah yung, basta, ganito kasi, diba, straight lahat ng chairs. And then, another chairs and another chairs. So, syempre, pag gaganyan ka, ikaw lang yung makikita, yung ulo mo lang. Kasi naka-straight lahat. I don't know, na-timing lang. Pag ganan ko, ano si Utah? Ang pogi ni Utah, guys. Ang pogi ni Utah. Salamat, Lord. Salamat sa pagbuo kay Utah. Pero honestly, the moment the stage opened, I was like, Johnny So. Amen. I swear, like, what? Never ko pa kasi nakita si Johnny na ganun kalapit. I've heard him live. Nakita ko na siya medyo... It's still far. Kasi naka-cart yun sa NCT Nation. Tapos, cart ulit sa... Ano ba yun? Last year. Ano nga yun? Ito the momentum. Basta yung last year na NCT, sa Nagoya Dome. Cart lang din. Medyo kita. Pero anong gamit ko nun binoculars lang. Iba yung hindi binoculars. Iba yung sa mata mo talaga. Ang pogi ni Johnny. Hoy! Grabe. Mark yung bias ko pero grabe. Jongwoo? What the fuck? Grabe. Pogi. Ganun pala. Parang nakaka-addict mag-VIP, guys. Parang gusto mo makita yung mukha nilang pogi. I don't even wanna talk about Mark. Kasi baka umiyak ako dito. Magpasalamat kay Lord because thank you for making Mark Lee. Thank you talaga so much. Talaga. Don't even start about Hechan. Grabe si Hechan. I always say this whenever I see a Hechan photo. I'm like, he's maganda and then pogi at the same time. Guwapo at the same time. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. Like, nakita ko na siya malapitan nung TDS 2. TDS 2 ba? Sorry, may mirror kasi dito. I'm talking to myself. Oh my God. TDS 2, naka-VIP seated ako nun. Kita ko sila. Maliban kay, sinong wala nun? At that time, si Chanla. Kita ko sila, si Mark, Sech, lahat sila. Nakita ko na sila malapitan. Not that malapit, pero mga same distance on this concert. Parang ganun din. My God, my God. Basta si Hechan, ganda talaga. Ganda, and then, sobrang smooth talaga ng dancing technique style niya. Amazing, grabe. As in, Michael Jackson, hindi naman niya copy si Michael Jackson. It's so very Hechan, you know what I mean? Pero gets ko yung anak siya ni Michael Jackson thing. Because, what? Hindi, oh my God. If you're an NCT fan, you know what I'm talking about. You understand what the fuck I'm talking right now. Pero if you're not an NCT, you'll be like, girl, okay ka lang ba? Pero kasi guys, oh my God, I'm telling you. Si Hechan lang to. Si Hechan lang yung pinag-uusapan natin. Pero ang dami ko na sinasabi because that's Lee Hechan. That's Lee Hechan. Sabi ko, magbibibi muna ako. Ano ba yan? Napunta na sa mga chika-chika. Pero I will never ever forget Yuta going. Hala! Para daw taga to. Si Kuya. Guys, grabe si Yuta. Ang pogi niya, promise. Promise. Ang puti, ang pogi. Hindi ako naniniwalang single. As in, like, that face? Single? Hello? Especially Johnny. Grabe si Johnny kanina. Si Johnny, tapos nandun si Mark, tapos nandyan si Duyong. Pero kay Johnny ako nakatungtok kasi ang pogi niya. Ang pogi niya. Grabe, hindi ko maintindihan. Ang pogi niya. As in, napasabi ako doon. Ako lang, nagbisaya pa ko adto ako mga abay, mga hapunan ako. Salamat gud kaayo, Lord. Gwapo jud kay si Johnny. Tinuod jud ni. Gwapo jud kay siya. Kita ko wala na mention si Duyong Louie kay siya ganina. Grabe, ang kawawa niya so much kasi, hindi naman. I mean, it's not kawawa. I'm just very OA in this. Dinog-show na naman siya ni Hechan and Jongwoo. Dinog-show na naman, pero it's like, it's this hi-ha-ha. It's this being a barkada thing. Alam niyo na yun. And it's so funny. And he's so thankful kasi nga ginawan siya ng challenge ni Hech and ni Jongwoo. Anyways, yeah, it's so hard to like show you the vibes at that time. But it was so funny. They're so funny. Dinog-show na naman yung pag-ano ni Duyong. Talaga. Pinagawa pa sa amin. Pinaheart pa kaming ganun. Buti yung katabi ko, siya, very get set go. Kasi magka-friend yung dito. Ako walang friend, siya walang friend. Tapos sabi niya tayo. I mean, hindi siya nagtagalog. Siya, nag-Japanese. I was like, sige. And then we're like, kasi nagpipicture sa stage. Pero obviously, hindi naman kami makikita kasi I was so short. She's kinda short. Nasa harap namin, mga matatangkad. Tanginan yan. Pahirapan ako kanina, to be honest. Pag ganyan ako pag nasa stage. Pag nasa front stage. Ang liit ko eh. Ang ano na nga ng sapatos ko. Tanginan yan. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you everything from the start except this part na sa concert because I basically told you everything sa concert. Yeah, but I need to pee. And let me take a photo of this outfit first because actually it's giving. It's really giving. It's giving active track. Uy! Mag-angle ka, be. Diba? It's giving. Diba? Shein lang yan. Shein lang yan. Pero kanina, nag-chills. Kasi ang nipis nito. In-underestimate ko ang 11 degrees. 11 ba kanina? Nakalimutan ko. Basta I feel like, ay, mainit na yan. Nag-chills kanina while waiting sa mag-open ang merch booth. Almost 2 hours akong nakatayo dun. Kasi nga, kailangan kong maaga para mabili ko to. Kasi I'm scared na maubusan ito. Nag-chills. After to, nakapasok na ako sa loob. Pag ganun na ako dun sa linya. I swear, buti naka-jacket ako. So, hindi nila masyadong nakikita na ganun na ako sa loob. I'm being honest. I swear to God. Nag-chill ako kanina. Kaya after na, mabilis ako dun sa merch booth. Nakuha ko na lahat yung merch na kailangan ko na pick up ko na yung kailangan ko i-pick up kasi may online Kemerut na sa NCTM eh. Explain ko yan mamaya. Na-pick up ko na yon, nabili ko na lahat-lahat. Pumunta na ako dito, not here. Hindi pa ako allowed mag-check-in at that time. Kumain na ako dun sa baba. Kasi nagpainit din ako. Because, for the Chelsea person kanina, talaga real. Real na real. Uy, na talaga ako. Nagpipicture pa. Kasi sayang yung outfit, hindi ako nakapag-picture. Anyways, picture and then wiwi. Okay, see you later. I'm gonna explain everything from the start. Nakawiwi na me. I wanna continue the story. But we need to go out. Tanggalin ko to. We need to go out and buy our dinner. Diyan lang sa 7-Eleven. May 7-Eleven down under. Down under. Sa baba. Gonna buy our dinner muna. So I cannot take this off kasi ang dala ko lang. Ang dala ko lang is pangtulog. No, I have pantulog and panlakad lang. Walang other pambahay thing. You know, the casual thing. So, we need to go down. Meron naman ata akong breakfast for tomorrow. Wait, let me see my Grabe yung resibo nila. Okay. So, I have breakfast. It's for free. 6 to 9. Check out 10. So, I have breakfast tomorrow. Anyways, I feel like sa TV meron silang Unext. Alam niyo kung ano nasa Unext? NCT Nation. Mag-watch ko NCT Nation kung I don't know kung ano pang meron sa kanila. But let's go down and buy something sa 7-Eleven. Should I wear something Suot ko na nga lang to again. Mahal-mahal ito, tapos hindi susuotin. Ang mahal niya, promise. I'm not gonna tell you the price. Basta mahal siya. Ano ba yun? Nakatabingin na naman si Bading. Ako kasi, pag alam kong may pera ako. May pera ba talaga? May perang Hindi nag-save. Kaya, may pera. So, if I know na I have money and I can afford some merch na wearable, I will definitely buy something wearable. Because, pag hindi wearable, parang, hindi ko siya magagamit. Ang dami kong pinili hindi wearable. Like this. Ito magagamit ko to every concert. Pero ito, ba't ko binili? Hindi ko din alam. This one naman, nasimulan ko na kasing mag-collect ng Star ni Mark. I have this. Bumili na ako ng black. Hindi pa na-deliver. And then, meron ako ng yellow. This one. The first Mark Gasari. See? So, I have yellow, black, and then blue. That's why binili ko yan. That's why kailangan ko siya. Because, simulan na. Let's go out. Don't forget the keys. Guys, awkward kaayo dayon. Very awkward pag mag-vlog outside. So, expect me to say nothing outside. Off. Tinanggal ko na kasi. Expect me to say nothing outside. Okay? Let's go. 6:15. Memorize that. 6:15. Ang daming room. Promise. Super daming room. Ang bed ko sa room is meron siyang window. Yung ibang room kasi ata wala. We're out until 7-Eleven. Very near. Very convenient, so it's good. We are back from our quick convenient trip, and guys, may na-realize lang ako. Diba room natin 6:15? Yung nasa front 6:14. If you're a Chanbake girly, you know that. Grabe, meant to be talaga. Meant to be ang pagiging Chanbakeist. And also, oh my god, super swerte natin kanina. Doon sa, hindi ko na nag-vlog. Doon sa Convini kasi, magaling siya mag-English. Thank you Lord, magaling mag-English. Ferrari, hindi ko nakasabay. Kasi, paano na siya, pag baba ng elevator, tumaba siya. Alam mo kung anong suot, hindi Ferrari, pero Red Bull. Congratulations to Max Verstappen for winning the race in Suzuka today. Ferrari, tama na kayo. Anong P4? Anong P7? Hindi yan ang tama. Okay? Dapat P1, 2, or 3. Yan na ang choices, guys. Talo pa din Ferrari. Hindi naman talo. Pero, hindi pa din tayo naka P1, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Kanina din pala, pagdating ko dito, nung kinuha ko yung bag sa locker. Kasi naka-locker yung bag. May bata doon na nakasuot siya nung old Ferrari merch. Yung kay Sebastian Vettel era pa na merch. Yung may Santander Camberlin. Tapos lalong, naiingit ako kasi wala pa akong t-shirt ng Ferrari. Pero may sapatos sa ako. Mahal ng t-shirt, guys. 20,000 yen. Yung sapatos ko, 10,000 yen lang yan. Mas mahal pa yung t-shirt. Ano yun? Anyways, let's eat. Mayan ako mag-eat. Ang init. Magbihis na ba? Bihis na nga lang. Tapos kain tayo. And then mag-chichika ako kung what happened to the day today. Sabi. Hindi ko na maalala kung anong nangyari. Pero let's see kung maalala natin. Ang ganda talaga nito, guys. Look. Ano yun? Gangster yan. Tapos may ba? Not pick it up. Don't care about a thing, then keep it that walk. Guys, release na ng album ni Mark tomorrow. Wala ka, tip ko nito. Gandang-ganda sa sarili. Ano ba? Magbihis na. Wait, okay, let's go.
Hey, I'm editing the vlog right now. And nasa part ako na dapat ikuwento ko na yung nangyari sa whole day, everything. And then I decided na hindi ko na lang pala ikakwento kasi hindi naman siya eventful. And hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ikakwento na para maging eventful. Ang sabi, so hindi ko yung tinuloy. Enough ko na lang yung camera and then that's it. So sabi ko, bakit naman? Putol, like wala. Like, doon na mag-end. So ang ginawa ko right now is Dikit-dikit. Basta yung mga clips ko from my phone and then meron din akong ilang clips na film sa camera right now. Sa camera na to. And then pinagdikit-dikit ko sila para makita nyo kung anong ginawa ko from pag-alis sa bahay until sa part na nag-yap na lang ako. Until sa part na nag-yap ako sa hotel. Ayun. So, I don't know how to do this. Ewan ko na lang. Basta, I don't know how to voice over. Paano to be? Ewan ko ba? Let's go.
まもなく1番線を列車が通過します。特別快速大垣行きです。この列車は
near sa stage. Walang zoom ha, walang zoom. That's the stage. The stage in front. Girl! And I just woke up like this. Charis, no. I woke up and then nagbihis na agad because I need to go down and eat my breakfast. Merong free breakfast, but I don't know if kakain ba ako sa breakfast nila. And I already got this yesterday, so and I wanna eat this. So let's see. Baba muna ako siguro. Balik lang ako dito mamaya. And yeah, I don't know if tutuloy ako sa Nagoya Castle. I don't know. I'm thinking twice. Tutuloy ako. Or baka tutuloy ako sa... I don't know. Hindi ko talaga alam. Baka gagala lang real quick. Like, lakad-lakad lang around Nagoya siguro. I don't know. So, yeah. It's April 7. And, guys, I swear, when I woke up, I was like, hello, parang gusto ko atang mag momentum sa Tokyo Dome ata sila, diba? Ang saya yesterday, like parang gusto ko ulitin. Like, I want more. Anyways, okay. I'm just gonna go down and eat, I think. I don't know. Yeah. We are back inside. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi madaming tao sa baba. Nagla-lunch. Nagbe-breakfast. Bakit? Sana pala dinamihan ko pagkuha nito. This one. Nahulog. Mga skincare. Maganda. Maganda yung facial cream Kimberly. This is my favorite burrito. You guys, I love it so much. Kaso na ano siya, na over. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's a chopstick pa. Talaga. TV tayo, bakit? Nood tayo ng race. Ang boring ng race kahapon. Walang red flag. I think walang yellow flag din. Yung sobrang OA ba? Pagka heat ko or what happened? Why is it a little crispy? Whatever. Same taste lang naman din kapon. Pero medyo soft kasi yung kapon. Hindi ko alam kung ilang seconds yun inano ni ate. Ni-heat sa microwave. Guys, hindi ko pa din alam kung tutuloy ako sa Nagoya Castle. Kulang ata sa pag-hit. Wala masyadong ganap yung race kahapon. Very boring. Wala masyadong overtaking. Wala. I have to go home. Go home or gumala muna around Nagoya. I don't know. But I'm trying to to cool down. Cool down? I'm watching some F1 thing. Actually, parang background ko lang. Background music. Ayaw ko makinig ng NCT 127 song. Parang maiiyak lang ako. Parang gusto kong ulitin yung Yesternight B. Day 2 ngayon, please. Ay, day 2. Day 3. Day 3, guys. Please, let's go. Let's go.
That's something that you need to think about when you're looking at the brake cooling ducts around the interface of the rear wheels. That's
to Nagoya Castle. Not yet, but we're already here around the Nagoya Castle area. Oh my god. Look at that. It's so nice. Hindi din maulan. Very clear ang sky. And then there's so many shops and food stalls, whatever. Ganda, guys. So pretty. Hindi ko alam kung saan bibili ng ticket, but let's go. Look! Amazing! Thank you, Lord. Super daming naka dito, naka F1 merch. Diyos ko. Papahinga ako dito. Pero ang ganda ng view. Look. Sobrang daming taong naka dito. Naka F1 merch. After the F1 race, nandito sila gumagala. But anyways, ako naman, wala lang. Ang tagal ko na kasi nakatira dito pero hindi pa ako nakapasok. So, I tried to visit here today. And ang ganda. Super worth it. As in, ang ganda ng castle, guys. Parang mas maganda pa siya sa Osaka 1. Ang daming naka-red. Ang daming naka-Red Bull. Lol. Congrats to Max Verstappen, by the way. I found a place to chill and then I'm gonna show you something I bought. A magnet. I got myself a magnet. Kasi pang dagdag na lang dun sa fridge magnet namin sa bahay. Ayun lang. Magnet lang nabili ko dito. And I don't think Where is my cell phone? I don't think I managed to capture a lot of like the place, but yeah, it's so nice. I think I'll bring my parents next time kasi I think hindi pa sila nakapunta dito. So yeah, sobrang hangin. Thank God naka-jacket. Ang ganda ng place, promise, guys. Especially if it's sunny like this. Hindi siya maulan. And then meron pang natitirang mga cherry blossom. Nasa labas na ako actually. Sobrang daming tao sa loob kasi. I feel like mas malawak siya kaysa sa Osaka. So yeah, it's so weird vlogging solo ha. Pero marami nagpa-vlog here. Marami akong nakakitang naka-Osmo Pocket, lol. But yeah. Anyways. I got myself something to eat. It's takoyaki. So yeah, we're just gonna eat right now. lost, but whatever. I'm going to the Noritake Garden and I don't even know if sakto yung sakto yung nasa Google Maps. But we're gonna have to walk for 14 minutes. Ay, naku naman. Buti na lang hindi masyado mainit. So, scary. Look at my hair. Sobrang gulo because of the wind. Ayusin ko yun mamaya. Just go. But look! Sakura! Nakikita ko na siya. We're on the right place. Oh my god. Google Maps is the key. We're here. Made it. We made it. We made it. Oh my god, we actually made it. I'm only gonna give myself 30 minutes here. Guys, 30 minutes lang tayo kasi I wanna go home na. Ang ganda pala talaga dito. Ang ganda siya. Oh my god. Look. Malit lang pala. Ay, malaki siya, pero yung madami yung ganap pala. Anyways, we're going to the bookstore. Yung magandang bookstore dito. So, let's go. Yun siya sa loob ng mall. We're inside the mall, and I think nakikita ko na yung bookstore. I think lang. I don't know. I feel like nawawala ko. May mga sale. Ayun naman. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Wait. Back to Kanayama. Uwi na ako guys, sakit na ng pako. Balik lang. At least na ano na yung curiosity ko with that bookstore. Nakita ko na siya finally. Anyways, let's go home. Sakit na ng pako. And we're gonna prepare for Martley's solo album. Let's go. Sobrang unfamiliar yung place talaga.
It's out, it's out, it's out, it's out. Oh my god, Natalie. Oh! Oh, I love this already. I love this. Let's go. Uy! Oh my god, Jesus, ang ganda. Joe! Hey, the albums though. I love it. I love it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, man. Amazing. Now let's go listen to the whole album. Lego. Oh my god, that's so good. That's so good. I mean, it's Mark Lee. Come on, man. It's Mark Lee. Of course, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna go and listen to the whole album, so I'm not gonna film that anymore kasi full na ang memory card, so